Question number 1. Given that y equal to x plus 1 into root over 2x minus 1. Now we need to find out the differentiation with respect to x. So ddx of y. So at first x plus 1, then differentiate root over 2x minus 1. Root over 2x minus 1, that means 1 by 2 root over x. 2 root over x. Again differentiate 2x minus 1, we'll get 2 plus root over 2x minus 1 into ddx of x plus 1 will be 1. Okay. Now, after cancelling 2 and 2, we can write root over 2x minus 1 is our LCM. So we can write x plus 1 plus root over 2x minus 1 into root over 2x minus 1 will be 2x minus 1. Now, 2x plus x will be 3x by root over 2x minus 1. Now the question asks we need to integrate. So how can we integrate? Look, integration of x by root over 2x minus 1 dx. So we can write it in this way. Look, from this part we can write dy by dx equal to 3x divided by root over 2x minus 1. Then we can write dy equal to 3x by root over 2x minus 1 dx. Now integrate. So if we integrate, look, then we can easily say we have this part. Then we can say y equal to 3 integration of x by root over 2x minus 1 dx, or we can write integration of 1, 5. We need to move 3 on this side. So we can say x by root over 2x minus 1 dx equal to 1/3 y. Actually y. And the value is from 5 to 1. So what does y means? Y means actually x plus 1 into root over 2x minus 1. 5, 1. Now put the values. So 1/3 at first the upper limit. So we'll get 5 plus 1, that will be 6 into root over 2 into 5, 10 minus 1, that is root over 9 will be 3. Okay. Minus 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 into 2 minus 1, 1. So 1/3 multiplied by 18 minus 2 is 16. So 16 by 3 will be the answer.